Need your audio to be loud? Let's crank up the volume in Audacity. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. First up, open Audacity and import your audio file that you want to boost. Before making any changes, let's listen to the audio so we can compare it with the final boosted version later. Now, double-click to select the entire track. If you only want to boost a specific part, just click and drag to highlight that section. But since I want the entire track to be boosted, I'm selecting everything. Next, head over to Effects menu at the top and select Amplify. A window pops up showing the current decibel level and the amount of amplification. Now here's the key part. Drag the amplification slider all the way up to increase the volume. You'll see a warning about clipping, which can cause some distortion, but we don't care, we want it loud. Check Allow Clipping to enable maximum volume boost. Click OK and boom, your audio is now way louder. Now press the play button to preview your boosted track. You can hear the difference, it's loud and powerful. And that's it. That's how you max out your audio volume in Audacity. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more quick Audacity tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions and I'll catch you in the next one.